How to resolve Instagram action blocked error. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon. Once you're on this page, click on three bars. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option logout. Once you log out of your account, wait for a few minutes. Then again provide your credentials and log in back to your account. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. So launch Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. This might resolve the issue. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is launch Instagram, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down, navigate to the option Help, select the option Report a problem. Click on Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. Now here, briefly explain about the issue that you are getting Instagram action blocked error continuously and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. Following these steps, you can easily resolve Instagram action blocked error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.